How to germinate a seed. First, gather your supplies. You will need a pot, seeds, water, paper towels, and soil. Preparing the seed. First, take the bowl and line it with paper towels. Then, scatter some seeds on the paper towel. Next, cover the scattered seeds with a second paper towel. Finally, pour water over the paper towel and seeds, just enough to dampen it. Then, drain the excess water out of the bowl and let the seeds sit overnight. Preparing the pot. Pots can be made from many different materials. However, we are going to use a recycled egg tray for our demonstration. Next, we fill each section of the carton halfway with our seed starting soil mix. Seed starting mix can be anything that is a light soil. Most stores actually sell a specific variety of soil called seed starting mix. These are best for germinating seeds because the tiny seedling can push the light soil out of the way as they sprout. Transplanting the seedlings. Once the seeds have germinated, you have to move them into a larger pot for further development.